Mona, I want to start by quoting to you and to all my Pakistani guests tonight. I want to quote Noam Chomsky. He said, you want to stop terrorism? Stop participating in it. You want to stop terrorism? Stop participating in it. Terror has come back to bite you, to rip off your limbs time and again. It has chewed your heart. You have lost your children, your daughters. You know, all is happening because you're not looking at what you're doing. You're feeding the snakes, they come back to bite you.
Yes.
These are the wheels. These are the wheels of karma. These are the wheels of karma. Your factory of terror has imploded in Pakistan. I hope this will lead to the annihilation of your mindless hate, your brutality. I hope it will help you to see some light in the dungeon of hate. In the dungeon of hate that you call Pakistan. So, Mona, I hope you will learn to bow to the tenets of karma, because you have reaped what you have sowed. It is time for you to imbibe the ultimate principle of karma that guides India to glory. Come back.
No. You better pray that this karma doesn't. You better pray this karma doesn't imply to India after what India has done and after what India has butchered in Kashmir and in so many other states where the
today's blast. No. What do you mean? What India has done?
So
this blast carried out probably by the Pakistan army.
You cannot deny the Indian involvement in this. The IG police has spoken regarding this.
Involvement in which way? 1 minute.
But I do not want to. I do not want to give it the same dramatic tone that you always do, because I'm happy to hold. That's okay. But I don't want to give it the same dramatic twist that you always do and the same bluff that you try to give to your audience. So I don't want to preempt things before they're done.
No, what did you mean by saying Indian hand?
Yes,
what did you mean by saying Indian hand? What did you mean? You cannot get away by making a comment and running away from it. Nupur is on the debate. You have to say what you mean is probably an Indian hand.
I'm not running away. I'm telling you why. Because you must have heard the IG police. He said the Indian involvement in this blast cannot be ruled out, and certainly you know
cannot be ruled out.
Compliant Pakistan has been despite the very hard conditions that the FATF has placed on us. So, I mean, this is the new twist that you've given to the entire story. We have not been trying to take this as a plea in the FATF, as you suggest. We never did this. We never even gave this a thought. So, this is the story and this is the twist that you are giving this blast in the first place. So, I mean, we never gave this twist.
1 minute. On what basis? No, you must tell Nupur tonight. You must tell Nupur tonight.
Civilians have lost lives.
Yeah, killed by the Pakistani army, which wanted to create some kind of news story before the FATF meeting.
Most probably.
What do you mean by define most probably?
That is your twist.
Define most probably. When we want to kill Hafiz Saeed, which we want to, we will go in and bomb the living daylights out of where he stays.
Hafiz Saeed, by the way. Hafiz Saeed, by the way, in my information, Hafiz Saeed, by the way, was never residing in that house in the first place. Hafiz Saeed was not
I thought you put him in prison.
It was just his house.
I thought you put him in prison, so you acknowledge.
He is under custody.
So no, in which five-star hotel is he under custody?
He is under custody, exactly. So why are you trying
which five-star hotel is he under custody?
Your own self by saying that Hafiz Saeed was
why are you? I'm not. I'm getting Nupur on the debate. I'm getting Nupur on the debate. Your army kills your own people for terrorists. It's an embarrassment. Nupur, the blast happened outside Hafiz Saeed's house. Look at my Pakistani guests tonight. Just look at them.
That doesn't mean
all
you're
of
killing
them.
Hafiz Saeed, because Hafiz Saeed doesn't reside there.
Can I please come in?
The debate is opening. Well, yes, Nupur. Yes.
Arnab, good evening. I think, more like Madam here, who's perhaps sounding very defensive of their national treasure, namely Hafiz Saeed. From the local media reports of Pakistan, what I have actually come to read, the IG of Punjab Police, Inam Ghani, if I'm naming correctly, has actually also gone on record heaving a sigh of relief, saying major loss has been averted because there was a police picket outside the house of the high-profile personality. If it wasn't for the police picket, perhaps what they are rejoicing right now, that Hafiz Saeed, who possibly was present in that house, would have been killed. Now just imagine when the Interior Minister, Pakistan Interior Minister in 2018, and I have the video with me, in 2018 goes on record to say, we will protect and back Hafiz Saeed, inshallah, and we hope to see all of you in the assembly next to us. When a country like Pakistan allows a Hafiz Saeed to float a political party and contest apparent democratic elections, of course, they are relieved that their national treasure perhaps has just escaped death. And I think it is everybody's common knowledge, as major media reports expose them for, that this is just muh pahunchna and a facade of Pakistan, being faced with FATF sanctions closing in. They just, just perhaps convicted him in 5 odd cases in the special trial court in these terrorism attack cases, and showed to the world that we have arrested him. Whereas the media houses have gone on record, done the investigative homework, and exposed to the world that he was living in this very house in Johor town. So I think today Pakistan is more happy and relieved that the national treasure perhaps has lived this attack. Thank God to the police picket, and I'm actually quoting the IG of Punjab Police, Inam Ghani. I think Pakistan has a lot of explaining to do. You're absolutely right, Arnab, that we will find him and we will kill him. God knows who and why they are protecting. And about that, when the FATF saw this and actually sanctioned them, actually blacklisted them, because they really do not deserve anything else.